Hi guys, today some special topic. I do some special acoustic boards, some acoustic barrier between two apartments, and boards are strong and heavy and hard, very hard, so hard that producer don't recommend use these classic screws with classic design. These in Europe TN. These are longer ones, 35 mil. But producers recommend these screws with special design, like this. They are a little bit special. So, and it goes in this heart, like in the butter. Look. So, very special screws. Look. So, these screws are great. I recommend this one. Better than classic with classic design. So, that was all for today. Till the next one. Bye.